Hello students, welcome to today's revision class. Today we will have a quick revision of simple machines. In our day-to-day life, we use many machines. These machines make our work easier. It saves our time and we can do very difficult works also with very less effort. So here we discuss some of the terms related with machines. The first term is work. So what is meant by work? We do many works in our day-to-day life. So every day you are studying many hours to score very good marks in your exam. So in terms of physics, it is not a work. It is only a mental work. In terms of physics, work is said to be done only when a force is applied on the body and the body gets displaced from its initial position in the direction of force. Suppose that you are pushing a wall and you apply your maximum force and you are not able to displace the wall. Here you are not doing any work because no displacement is produced on the wall. So work can be done only when a force is applied on the body and the body gets displaced. Suppose that you are brooming your room. Here you are applying force and the broom gets displaced. So work is said to be done. Or you are swimming. When you are swimming, you are applying force and you will have displacement. Here also work is said to be done. The work is said to be done only when a force is applied on the body and the body gets displaced in the direction of force. So work is calculated by finding the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. The work is the product of force and displacement in the direction of force. The SI unit of work is joule. The unit of energy, that is also joule. So the unit of work is same as the unit of energy. Now, the next topic is principle of machine. Principle of machine. The principle of machine is no machine will do work by itself. First of all, some work should be done on the machine. So the work which is done on the machine, that is called work input. Then the machine will do some work, that is called work output. For example, you have to cut some potatoes by using a knife. Your knife is a simple machine. If you simply take a potato and keep the knife over the potatoes will not be cut. So you have to apply force on the machine. The force which is applied on the machine, that is called effort. It is called effort. So, and the object which is to be overcome, the object or the obstacle which is to be overcome, that is called load. The effort means the force which is applied on the machine to overcome the load. That is called effort. Then, principle of machine states that work which is done on the machine, which is work input, then machine will do some work which is called work output. No machine will do work by itself. First work input should be there, then there will be work output. And work input is the product of effort and displacement of effort. Work input is the product of effort and displacement of effort. And work output is the product of load and displacement of load. Work output is the product of load and displacement of load. Now, the next, efficiency of machine. Efficiency. So, what is meant by efficiency of a machine? So, efficiency of a machine is the ratio of work output to the work input. The efficiency is the ratio of work output to the work input. And work output is the product of load and displacement of load. And work input is the product of effort and displacement of effort. Then the next term is mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage. Mechanical advantage is the ratio of load and effort. Load and effort. This is called mechanical advantage. Then we have seen what is efficiency. Efficiency is the ratio of work output to the work input. Then what is an ideal machine? What is an ideal machine? So, ideal machine. What is an ideal machine? Ideal machine is a machine whose efficiency is 100%. Efficiency of an ideal machine is 100%. Then an actual machine. What is an actual machine or a practical machine? So an actual machine is a machine whose efficiency is less than 100%. Now we see the 6 simple machines which we use in our day-to-day life. These are the 6 simple machines which we use in our day-to-day life. Lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined plane, wedge, screw. These are the 6 simple machines which we use in our day-to-day life. Now we see these machines one by one. First one is lever. What is a lever? Lever is a straight or rigid bent bar which is capable of turning about a point. The turning point of a lever is called its fulcrum. The turning point of a lever is called its fulcrum. So this is a scissor. This is a scissor. And this scissor turns about this point. This point is the fulcrum. The turning point of this scissor is this. So this is the fulcrum. And suppose that we have to cut a paper or any object, then we keep that object. So the object, this is called load. Here this paper is the load. And we apply force on this machine to cut this load. That is called effort. And the distance between fulcrum and load, the distance between fulcrum and load is called load arm, and the distance between fulcrum and effort is called effort arm. Then we see the principle of lever. What is the principle of lever? The principle of lever is load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. That is the principle of lever. Load into load arm. Load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. So this is the principle of lever. Load into load arm is equal to effort into effort arm. This is the principle of lever. Then levers are classified into three types: class 1, class 2 and class 3. So in the case of a class 1 lever, the fulcrum comes in between. Fulcrum comes in between the load and the effort. So, and in the case of class 2 lever, the load comes in between the fulcrum and the effort. And in the case of class 3 lever, the effort comes in between the fulcrum and the load. So these are the three types of lever. So this is all about lever. So this is the summary of simple machine. So thank you for listening this.